We've heard from drywall and paint contractors that they would love to have a default height included when they're running their takeoffs. Usually the plan will have a default height that most of the floor is set to. It's a very manual process assigning this default height for each wall so that they can run their wall area calculations. In order to run the boost with default heights, you just go to Takeoff Boost. You select a wall linear, apply the tag, which in this instance is a square, and then assign a default height. Now run the boost. After the boost is complete, you should see that in each individual condition, the name has been changed to indicate that there's a default height applied here, in this instance, 12 feet, and it now allows you to populate the square footage of the wall. You can see here that the height has been added as well to the linear. In addition, if a painter is using an RCP, we're able to go one step further for them. I'm going to switch over to this RCP that I already have. To use the feature of auto detection of heights within RCPs, simply go to Takeoff Boost, select the painting linear. You can also select the default height here as well, and simply run the boost. After the boost is complete, you should be able to see that each individual room that has a height clearly marked in it is now properly labeled with the correct condition. For instance, this room right here has been marked as a 9-foot room. You can also see that any rooms that don't have a height clearly marked now have the default height set on it, like this electrical room. These features make it faster than ever for drywall and painting contractors to run takeoffs.